Local news for Thursday the 20th of September. 2 people were arrested and 3 unlawfully possessed firearms seized at a Masterton address overnight Tuesday. Police became aware of the drugs and firearms at a residential property when they were conducting unrelated inquiries. Detective Sergeant Matt Watson says the 2 men in police custody are associated with an organised criminal group, so it was extremely concerning to discover firearms at this address. He said police are continuing to target organised criminal groups and the negative effect they have within our communities through disrupting their activity and holding offenders to account. Masterton is continuing to grow, with the latest stats from research firm Infometrics showing the number of building consents for residential houses increased 63% in the year to June, and the gross domestic product, total value of goods produced, increased 4.5%, higher than the Wellington region's 2.5% growth. And there's good news on the tourism front as well, with people visiting. Both the number of guest nights and tourism expenditure increased by 14%. And in sport, first-class referee Rebecca Marnie will be back up north this weekend. Marnie will referee the Wairarapa Cup match between Bay of Plenty and Taranaki in Rotorua.